The carnivore diet and the ketogenic diet are two of the most popular low-carb approaches for improving health, losing weight, and boosting energy. While they share some similarities, they differ significantly in their food choices, macronutrient breakdown, and potential benefits. If you're trying to decide which one is better for you, here I'll provide a detailed comparison to help you make an informed decision. What is the keto diet? The keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that focuses on reducing carbohydrate intake to encourage the body to enter a state of ketosis. In ketosis, your body burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates, which can lead to weight loss and improved energy levels. Key features of the keto diet. First up, macronutrient breakdown. Fat is about 70 to 80% of daily calories, protein is about 15 to 20% of daily calories, and carbs are 5 to 10%. Allowed foods are healthy fats like avocado, butter, olive oil, low-carb vegetables such as spinach, broccoli, and zucchini, moderate protein like meat, fish, and eggs, limited dairy like cheese and cream, and small amounts of nuts, seeds, and low-sugar fruits like berries. The goal is fat loss, mental clarity, sustained energy, and blood sugar stability. Now, what is the carnivore diet? The carnivore diet is an all-animal-based diet that eliminates all plant-based foods. This ultra-low-carb approach focuses entirely on meat, fish, eggs, and animal fats, making it a more extreme version of low-carb eating. Key features of the carnivore diet. First up, macronutrient breakdown. Protein is about 30 to 50% of daily calories, fat is 50 to 70, and carbs are 0% or trace amounts. Allowed foods are meat, like beef, pork, lamb, and poultry, fish and seafood, eggs, animal fats like butter, tallow, and lard, and limited dairy like cheese and cream if tolerated. The goal here is to eliminate potential food intolerances, reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and enhance fat loss. How are they similar? Both the carnivore and keto diets share a few similarities. They both have a low-carb focus. Both diets minimize carbohydrate intake, which can lead to improved blood sugar control and fat burning. Ketosis. The carnivore diet naturally promotes ketosis due to the absence of carbs, while the keto diet requires specific macronutrient tracking to achieve ketosis. There's an emphasis on whole foods. Both diets prioritize nutrient-dense, unprocessed foods. Potential benefits. Both diets may improve energy, mental clarity, and weight loss. Now you're probably wondering, how are they different? First up, carb intake. Carb intake on the keto diet is low, with 5 to 10% of calories, versus 0 or trace amounts with the carnivore diet. Food variety for the keto diet includes vegetables, nuts, and dairy. Carnivore diet includes exclusively animal-based foods. Macronutrient focus. High fat, moderate protein for the keto diet versus high protein, moderate fat for the carnivore diet. In terms of sustainability, the keto diet offers more flexibility in food choices versus the carnivore diet, which is a little bit more restrictive with limited variety. Health goals for the keto diet are weight loss, mental clarity, and ketosis. And for carnivore diet, it may be to eliminate intolerances and reduce inflammation. Pros and cons of the keto diet. Pros. There's more food variety, including low-carb vegetables, nuts, seeds, and dairy on the keto diet. There's potentially an easier transition. Gradual carb reduction makes it easier to adapt. It's more flexible, allowing for more creative meal planning and treats like keto desserts. And finally, it's also widely researched, proven to help with weight loss, epilepsy, and blood sugar control. In terms of cons for the keto diet, there's more carb counting involved, and it requires tracking macros to maintain ketosis. There's also a risk of overeating fats. Excess fat intake can stall weight loss. There's the keto flu, which is initial side effects like fatigue and headaches. Now on to pros and cons of the carnivore diet. Pros: simplicity, no calorie counting or food tracking required. Eliminates food intolerances, avoids common allergens and irritants like glutens, lectins, and oxalates. Rapid weight loss, extremely low-carb approach may accelerate fat loss. Anti-inflammatory, reduces inflammation for those with autoimmune issues. Cons, highly restrictive, limited variety can make it hard to sustain. Nutritional gaps, excludes plant-based nutrients like fiber and antioxidants. Social challenges, eating out or attending events can be difficult. Potential overload of protein may stress the kidneys in some individuals. Who should choose the keto diet? The keto diet is ideal for those who want a balanced, sustainable, low-carb lifestyle. For those that also enjoy a variety of foods, including vegetables and dairy. And it's also for those that may be looking to improve energy, lose weight, or manage conditions like diabetes or epilepsy. And also, if you don't mind tracking your food intake to maintain ketosis. Who should choose the carnivore diet? The carnivore diet is ideal for those who struggle with food intolerances or autoimmune conditions, prefer simplicity and don't want to track macros, are seeking an elimination diet to identify food sensitivities, or want rapid fat loss or reduced inflammation through a strict approach. Which one is better for you? Choosing between the carnivore diet and the keto diet depends on your goals, lifestyle, and preferences. If you value flexibility and variety, the keto diet is better fit. If you want to eliminate all plant-based foods to test for intolerances, the carnivore diet is worth exploring. For long-term sustainability, the keto diet offers more options and is generally easier to maintain. For short-term results, the carnivore diet can deliver rapid fat loss and help you reset your system. Both the carnivore and keto diets have unique benefits, and neither is inherently better. The right choice depends on your personal goals, preferences, and health conditions. Consider experimenting with both to see which aligns best with your needs.